Welcome to session 3. So, at the beginning of session 3 on day 1, which is Monday, December 1st, you received an email asking you to take a look at our project tracking sheet, look in the column that has slideshows, and it's different for different classes, and then fill in a form voting your top ideas, who is best prepared, and so on, and then who do you want to work with for session 3. Slightly different for each class, but you kind of get the idea. Also, Scrum Master, Producer, and Organizer. What are these roles? Well, the Scrum Master is in charge of the project tasks. So every day you'll have a stand-up meeting. The Scrum Master will direct that and kind of keep that going. Then the Producer is the person who keeps the team motivated and moving. So they're problem solving, kind of the people side of things, to make sure that that's moving along so that we're hitting our timelines and that stuff. Lastly, the Organizer is the physical stuff. So they're making sure that the team folder is put away every day, that any paperwork they have is put in that, if you're using equipment, that it's put away properly before the end of class and so on. So they organize the stuff. So I put this in the email to make sure that that was clear. Also, if you want to see what's coming up, you can click on these slides and that will show you what's happening this week. So let's take a look first off in today for both film and rock. You're filling out the form right here. Game design, you already did this, but there were more than six to eight people in each game design class that did not fill out the form. So please fill that out today, December 1st. And when you look further into this, there is the slideshow at the top here. The tracking sheet and slideshow are here for session 3, so you can take a look at that. And again, they look like this. And you can see that right here it says fill in the surveys. We're going to be building our teams, getting everything set up, doing research this week, and so on and so forth. So a number of things are happening. So I haven't finalized the slides, but they're in pretty good shape. So if you want to kind of get an idea of what's happening, you can click through here and see what we'll be doing. And that is the long and the short of it. And we will be building our teams this week, doing our process. We're doing a new approach to session management that we'll be launching for session 3, and I'll explain that stuff in class. So welcome to week 1 of session 3. Pretty exciting stuff.